going?
It's recording. Retard. Retards to the fullest. Retards.
I'm a little bit.
So retarded.
Ew. Get it. I can't see. Oh. I was like wet. I got a cramp tie. This is Chaz's shirt. So sorry about your shirt. You have a sour cap on. I did my hair. I'm about to get it poppin'. There. I'm tired. That bunny ain't even right. You didn't even get the dang bunny. Yes! It was right there. We had it like closed in.
Stop pissing about the bunny. Damn.
It was going nowhere.
Alright, we missed it though, so it's over.
I was like, hey, who framed Roger Rabbit, bitch? And that's when it was like, the man with the eyes. You remember he had the eyeballs?
Yeah, I remember he had the eyeballs.
Why my tree got like a little bit like it's like a birthmark. Yeah, look. Come look at the birthmark tree. Look at the birthmark. Come. Put it under your
Ron,
yeah.
get out of the rain while it's lighting, please.
Papa.